You are being detained, yes, sir.
For what crime?
There is a verbal disturbance here. That's all I need to investigate.
I asked you to stop filming.
You can't stop me from filming on public property.
Well, you need to stop filming me because I don't want you to.
You can't stop me.
I don't know who you are.
It's public property.
I'm going to arrest you at this point.
I'm not going to resist.
Yeah, okay, you're under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
I'm not going to take that out of your hand yet.
Have you ever seen a situation where citizens stand up for their rights, only to face unnecessary reactions from the police? What happens when civilians exercise their basic freedoms, like free speech and the right to record, but are met with unlawful detentions and intimidation? In today's video, we'll uncover real-life encounters where police officers violate citizens' rights by detaining them without proper cause, sometimes even at the wrong address. What's really going on here? Let's dive in and find out. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts to help spread the word, and subscribe for more videos exposing police misconduct.
All right.
Hello.
How you doing?
Yeah, how about yourself?
I'm okay.
What you doing right now?
Just recording. I got a camera.
They're just concerned because apparently the visual matching your description has been doing this a lot at NASB locations.
Okay, you got your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Savage, Grandview Police Department, badge number 031.
Thank you so much for being professional. Yes, sir. I'm just recording. I didn't even speak to nobody.
I know, but they see you out here and they're concerned that you're possibly casing the place.
Say that one more time.
Casing the place.
I'd rather roll a joint than case one.
Okay, no, I get that.
Yeah.
So is it like for a YouTube website, or is it just reporting just because you want to situation?
I'm just recording. It's almost like one of the first actual real days of fall.
Okay.
The temperature didn't drop. Well, yesterday I guess was. The temperature was down. Actually, on Halloween. It just didn't feel that bad.
Is there a reason you're doing this building?
I was actually just walking all the way around.
Just walking all the way around?
Yeah.
This building, or just walking around?
Just around the whole area. Is that fine?
That's fine. They're just concerned, so we're out here just talking to you.
Well, I have no ill intent, nothing like that, nothing nefarious going on. Just recording.
Like I said, is it for like a website that you got, or just because you like to? You have video editor or something?
I just got this camera. It's pretty cool. I like it. I'm just trying to see what the footage look like. Next, I'm getting me a body camera. What kind is that?
This is a Motorola one, WatchGuard.
Okay.
So they had WatchGuard, and then WatchGuard got bought out by Motorola. So now that we got newer cameras, so when they activate that one, also.
Okay. Is that like a level 4 vest? Or is that a 3?
I don't know.
Okay.
It stops bullets at some point.
Okay.
Apparently
Yes,
he's
yeah.
just out here recording the fine scenery.
Yeah. Can I get your name and badge number as well, sir?
Yeah, if you want, it's Bailey.
Thank you so much for being professional.
You doing all right today?
I was just hanging around. It ain't as cold as I thought it would be with the temperature dropping down. How did daylight saving affect you guys?
I wasn't working, so.
Yeah.
Usually the guys are working, they got to work an extra hour.
Yeah, because I caught myself just waking up in the middle of the night and I didn't know why. And then when I got on the internet, you know, I'm like, oh, okay, that's what's going on. Okay, daylight saving. So yeah, the extra hour of sleep, I guess it felt good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Some things that people be having issues answering. Who can I answer the question to?
I can answer.
You want to say?
Well, anything I can answer, I will.
I mean, I think you can. What's 550 divided by 2?
Oh, it's gonna take me a minute.
Yeah, so man, I'm not gonna be long, you know, just gonna be out here getting a couple shots.
Okay.
That's cool.
So
Do you have an ID on you real quick?
you need my ID?
Just to document who we talked to. Because here's the thing, right? Legally, constitutional rights, we have detained you for a little bit, so we need to make a real quick record.
So
of that.
hold on. This was good. So you just illegally detained me?
I didn't say that.
You just said you detained me.
Yeah. Is that illegal?
For what crime?
We got a call out here. It's a police call. for
That's
service.
okay, you getting a call, but now you just said you detained me. To detain somebody, you need reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. So what crime did you detain me for?
We've already explained why we're here.
You just said
I'm
you
just
got a
going to
call.
document your name and date of birth that says that we talked.
Okay. I don't have to get my ID.
Yeah, you do.
No, I do. Let's get a supervisor out here. Let's get a captain out here, sir.
Well, the captain ain't gonna come out for this.
He's gonna
because
come
you're-
out for this, sir.
No,
Yes,
he will not.
Yes, he is, buddy.
Well, let me explain to you. Let me explain to you.
I was gonna see how much you was gonna trample on my rights. Now you guys looked good for a second.
No,
but now you trying
we're
to
not trampling on any
well,
rights.
I'm in public
Yes,
doing
you
nothing
are.
nefarious.
Okay.
And you just walk
But
up and ask me for my ID.
Except that we got a police call for service.
That's fine. That's fine. You can do
The
that.
caller articulated
Okay.
who you are, what you were doing as
No
far as your
crime.
physical description.
No crime.
Okay. Based on that suspicious call for service,
Is suspicious a misdemeanor or a felony?
Suspicious
It's
act.
neither.
Suspicious
Come on,
act.
y'all looked like some good guys. Y'all just
Here,
flipped the
hold on,
script.
hold on,
Y'all just flipped the script.
Hold on,
let you
because I'm
find
trying to
yourself.
explain it to you.
Go ahead.
Right? Because we're out here for a lawful call for service, and we contacted you lawfully. But okay, you don't have to agree. I'm just telling you.
We
this
most
is the
definitely
law,
finna okay, I'm going to the police
subject
department.
matter
That's not
expert on
law.
this.
That's not law, sir.
So-
That's not law.
Oh,
To show ID, sir.
Can I ask what you've been doing?
You
do
need
for a
reasonable,
living?
articulable
ask you what you do
suspicion
for a
that a crime is being committed. Now, you cannot
Okay.
turn. Look, he putting his gloves. He ready to go hands on.
Cold-blooded. Hey, listen.
My hands are cold.
What do you do for a living?
Why does it matter?
I'm just curious now. You was asking me all kinds of questions and I answered them. Come on now.
That's fine.
And you know what I do for a living. I'm asking you what you do for a living.
You using police tactics now.
I'm asking you what, because I want to explain it.
Okay,
something to you.
I'd rather not answer that.
Okay, you don't have to.
I'm just out here exercising right.
Okay.
Now, and if you're trying to turn legal, constitutional, protected activity into a crime to try to get my ID, that look bad, Officer Bailey.
I'm not saying that.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Am I legally required to give you my ID right now on
Yes,
this call?
you are.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
Yes, let's get a captain out here, sir.
No, captain's not going to come out
Let's
here.
get a captain. If somebody's trying to infringe on your rights, a captain should come out here. If I'm calling somebody higher than you, sir.
What'll happen is you'll be placed under arrest for failing to identify
That's a
yourself.
secondary crime. You got to commit a first crime first to even have to ID, sir.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
I challenge you on that, sir. You willing to arrest you?
You don't want to do that because
that's on you, sir. That's on you. Your qualified immunity is gone. Everything because you stepping on constitutional rights.
Okay, but can I explain something to you?
Go ahead. I was just saying, man, y'all some cool guys, but that's why you cannot trust the police because y'all act like cool guys and then try to flip the script.
And now you're interrupting. You won't even let me talk.
Because
man.
the whole thing, man, you act like a good. Go ahead. Let me let you talk. Let me let you talk.
Okay.
That's why you can't trust the police.
Okay. Except that I just told you, I've been doing this for 17 years.
Infringing on people's rights?
No, I've been doing this line of work for 17 years, right?
Okay.
I have done that without complaint or lawsuit on my record.
Okay, this will be the first.
No, it won't be.
This will be the
because
first, sir.
This is the thing.
Go ahead.
Between the two of us, I am the subject matter expert on the law, and that includes constitutional law. I have hundreds of hours of study and application of that in my line of work. We are out here for a lawful reason. You've been contacted for a lawful purpose, us performing our duties. That is 100% true, whether you like it or not. And it is within that course of my duties that I'm asking you to provide a name and date of birth that I can verify, and we can let you go.
That's incorrect. Let me ask you a question.
I'm not going to ask you again.
Let me ask you a question.
Okay,
let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. And this is just the basics. We're dealing with the First Amendment here.
Sure.
A guy standing in public.
And nobody's stopping you from exercise. I haven't asked you to stop recording.
Okay. Well,
I haven't.
What?
I haven't even told you you can't video the buildings.
So what about the Fourth Amendment?
What about it?
What about the Fourth Amendment? Because that's what you're doing right now. You asked me for my ID.
What about?
I have rights to privacy, sir. I don't have to show my ID if I haven't committed a crime. And then you said failure to ID. I have to commit a crime first to have to show you my ID. Failure to ID is a secondary crime, sir. How am I educating you on 17 years on this?
You're not educating me because you're incorrect. You are incorrect.
So what is the Fourth Amendment? What is the Fourth Amendment? Because that's what we get right now. This is the Fourth Amendment. Me recording is my First Amendment. You're asking me for my ID. This is the Fourth.
I'm going to arrest you at this point.
I'm not going to resist.
Okay. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
I'm not going to take that out of your hand yet. For nothing, dude. All you had to tell me was your name.
For nothing. I did nothing.
You did, and I've explained it to you, and because you don't like it. Because you don't like it.
That's not it, sir.
Because you don't exercise the right. So you're a First Amendment auditor, probably. I got a YouTube channel, think you're cool, a bunch of followers. Don't understand the law like I do.
I do, sir.
You don't.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Because I don't.
You arrested me.
I don't come to your place of business and tell you how to do your job.
I'm not at your place of business.
You are.
I'm in public, sir.
You are at my place of business. Where do I operate?
Come on, sir.
For your safety and mine, I'm going to pat you down and give you on your.
I have nothing. I have nothing. Ain't nothing in my pocket but my cell phone.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have my ID.
What's your last name? What's your last name, sir?
You said you arrested me. I have right to remain. You need to read me my name.
This is not a guilt question, and I don't need to read you Miranda rights. Again, you're incorrect. What is your last name?
I'm still required just to make sure for my safety and yours.
Identify yourself is only going to make your booking process take 30 minutes.
That's the secondary crime. I didn't do that.
We're not debating it at this point. What is your last name? What is your last name? You'll just ID at the jail, or you'll sit there.
I have the right to remain silent.
I'm not asking you guilt-seeking questions, dude. No, your ID is not a guilt-seeking question. You need to do some more studying, big guy. Did you collect his property yet?
I don't have nothing on me.
Thank you. You got a cell phone, you got this. I am gonna stop your recording.
Hey y'all, so this is Bailey, y'all. They took me to jail. This is Bailey, bro. I just got out of booking. That's Bailey. I didn't give them my name. They took me to jail. Oh yeah.
Hello, sir. Can I help you? Can I help you, sir?
Who are you?
I'm the supervisor. Can I ask what you're doing?
What's your name?
Can I ask you what you're doing?
Do you have a name?
Yeah, I have a name. What are you doing?
May I ask your name?
Excuse me one moment. I'll get the postmaster.
Clear.
Hi there. What can I do for you today?
I didn't ask for any help. Who are you?
Okay, well, I'm just trying to find out what, someone told me there was something wrong with the camera, so I just wanted to find out if everything was okay, if you need any assistance, or...
What's your name?
I'm the postmaster right now, sir. What can I do for you? Is there something I can do for you? Or do you just want to take videos, or what?
Aren't you supposed to identify yourself to the public?
Sir, I'm just asking you if you need assistance. Do you need assistance?
I'm just asking you who you are.
Okay. I'll please take care of it. Thank you.
.6, clear.
Are you filming me? No. What are you?
They're not financially strapped. We'll figure it out.
98.7, clear.
How's it going, sir? Sir, can I talk to you over here? Can we just talk over here?
What's wrong with talking to me here?
I just want to talk to you in front of my car where we're not in front of the entrance and we can just have a little peaceful conversation. That's all I want. All right? Go ahead and walk.
I prefer you in front of me.
No, I'm not going to walk in front of you, sir. That's officer safety reasons. We can walk that way. Walk towards my car.
You're making me walk backwards, guys.
Sir, I'm not making you walk backwards. You're walking backwards yourself.
Well, I gotta keep you on camera, so
Okay, you can keep me on camera. I just want to talk to you. That's all I want to do.
I don't appreciate being on the camera without my permission. That's against the
How
law.
far am I being detained?
No, we're gonna.
Am I being detained?
Sir, you're being detained right now just for trying to figure out what's going on here. That's all I'm trying to do. Is we got called? There's a verbal disturbance here.
Could you back up just a little bit?
No,
6
sir.
feet?
We're gonna walk back here.
6 feet, please.
We're gonna walk back in front of my car. In front of my car.
So I'm being detained.
You are being detained, yes, sir.
For what crime?
There is a verbal disturbance here. That's all I need to investigate. All right.
Verbal disturbance?
Yes, sir. I need your driver's license or an ID card.
What's going to happen to me if I don't give you my document?
I have to know who you are so I can trespass you if required.
So
that's all I need to know.
Verbal disturbance is a crime.
Sir.
So I'm being accused of a crime.
You are not being accused of a crime. That's what I'm
why
trying
am I
to
being
explain.
detained?
Because there was a verbal disturbance. All right, we're not going to go down this route.
Verbal disturbance.
We're not going to go down this route. All right.
Who's the
We're
victim?
just going to have a conversation.
What route are we not going to go down?
Gosh, sir, can you just listen to me?
Are you becoming frustrated?
Are you becoming frustrated?
No, sir. I just want to know my rights.
Do you really want to go down this route?
I would just like to know what my rights are in this situation.
Just like all your rights everywhere else. You're in America. You have all your rights.
You have a name and badge number?
It's right here. My name's right there.
Your name is right here?
Right there. It's on. You can put it on camera. I don't care, sir. I need to know
his camera. Is your camera activated right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure it's on.
It's been on this entire time.
It's covering your name.
You can have my card. I do not care, sir. I need to M3rd.
Say again?
Yes, sir. M3rd. All right. I just need to know who you are so that I can figure all this out. Then we can go about our merry way. That's all I need to figure out.
Okay. Who has complained against me?
Multiple people, along with the post office. So.
Do you have their names?
I don't, because I'm not sitting in front of my computer. I need to know your name. What is your name?
Why do you need to know my name?
So, if I have to trespass you, I need to know who I'm trespassing. It's kind of hard to trespass an unknown person, isn't it?
So I'm being detained right now.
Who are you?
I'm being detained right now for filming. Because it's all on, so there was no verbal disturbance.
That's what I'm getting told. There was a verbal disturbance,
Okay, well,
citizen dispute. That is what I'm here for.
I've got it all on video. There was no.
Well, that's what I'm here for. I don't know because I've been talking to you since I got here, correct?
Okay,
correct?
Am I being accused of a crime?
Sir, I need to figure out what's going on. I need to identify who you are and who everybody else is involved in this whole thing.
I don't understand why you need to know who I am to decide whether there was a crime being committed.
Sir, what's your name?
Can you just de-escalate a little bit?
I am de-escalating. I am
not. It looks like you're getting very frustrated.
Well, tell me who you are.
Well, I don't want to give you up my Fourth Amendment rights.
You're not giving up your Fourth Amendment rights.
Unless you're going to threaten me with arrest, I'm not going to volunteer any information to you.
Sir, who are you?
Again, unless you threaten me with arrest, I'm not going to identify.
What is your name?
Again, what will happen to me if I do not give you my identity?
If there's a crime, then I'm going to charge you with multiple crimes.
If there's a crime?
If there was a crime that was committed, or if you're trespassing, or anything like that, then I'm going to charge you with obstruction.
Okay. Well, until you tell...
And delaying and interfering with my investigation. That is what I'm going to charge you with. It's just like if you were driving down the roadway and you do not provide a driver's license or ID card, prove who you are.
Can we get a supervisor here, please?
I have 2 other deputies here.
Okay.
I don't need a supervisor.
Talk to a supervisor.
Why do you need to talk to a supervisor?
Because I don't believe you know the law.
Okay.
You're not respecting my constitutional rights.
I am here to do a job, right? And I got called here lawfully and told that there was a citizen dispute and a verbal disturbance.
And I told you that I don't...
And I am not here to argue with you about the verbal disturbance. I need to know who's identified on what crimes and what stuff so I can investigate what's going on.
Okay, for the third time,
and then I
would like to talk to a supervisor, please. Please.
2334, 2336.
Kootenai County Sheriff, guys.
Can you come over to this location? Since you're not going to give up your name or anything like that, you are delaying my investigation, just so you're aware. I just want you to be aware. That's all I want.
Well, I just want you to be aware that I'm not going to give you my ID unless you threaten to arrest me. I don't want to go to jail.
Why would I threaten to arrest you? I'm not going to threaten to arrest you. I'm just going to arrest you if I have a crime or something. You realize that, right? I'm not going to threaten to arrest you.
I want to give you my ID if you're going to arrest me. If it can stop me from being arrested, if giving you my ID stops me from going to jail, then I'm going to give you my ID.
Well, that'd be nice.
Okay, but if I don't have to give you my ID, I don't want to give you my ID.
What are you doing, man?
Filming.
Like what, this? That's not too pretty. It's kind of a snowy day.
Analytics. Filming. COVID-19.
You have anything better to do today?
You guys don't have to wear masks?
I'm like 6 feet away from you, right?
Well, he come right up on me. I asked him to step away. He wouldn't do it. He started getting very agitated.
I know the guy for years. He doesn't get agitated.
Well, I got it on film, bud.
Oh, man. I bet you do.
Yep. What's your name and badge number? You want to identify? You're the public servant here. You're the one that's supposed to identify, not the public. You're not our master. You're not our master.
I'm not saying I'm your
then
master.
Stop acting like it.
Why are you going down this route?
What
behind
route
all
are
this?
you talking?
Like, why are you trying to do this? What is your purpose right now?
Well, right now I'm just standing up for my Fourth Amendment rights, and you don't seem to like that. It irritates you.
It doesn't irritate me. I love the Constitution.
You don't have a right to know who I am. If I haven't broken the law, you have no authority over me. You've illegally detained me now for about 10 minutes.
If you would like to leave, you can leave.
Well, you just told me I was detained.
Yeah, well, this crime was occurring,
if I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay.
If you're going to leave, then...
If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay.
We're not going to go back there.
Why are you standing in front of me? You just said I was free to leave.
There because I got to figure out what's going on back there. But if you're going to walk down the road...
If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay. Am I detained? Am I detained?
Let me figure out what's going on over here.
See how you won't tell me whether I'm detained or not? This is a tyrant right here.
Okay,
he will not tell me whether I'm being detained.
You want to go
he's a
down
tyrant.
this? I am...
This is the Kootenai County Sheriff's Department, guys. Am I detained?
If you're going to walk away, then go ahead. But if you're not going to walk away, if you're going to stay here, then I need to figure out what they want to do if they want to trespass.
This is public property. You can ask me to leave, but you can't trust me from public property. Did you take an oath to the Constitution?
Okay. All right.
Oh man, it's cold. Hey man, all that I ask you do is just maybe not stick.
You can ask all you want, bud. What's your name and badge number?
But you can go stand there all you want in video.
Hey, what's your name and badge number?
All right.
What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge
That's all I know. That's all I need to know, sir. That's all it was.
They won't identify. They come up here like a tyrant. The walk of shame. The walk of shame. That's what you're doing right now. A tyrant walk of shame. Don't ever come up on me like that again or I will sue you.
Okay.
You hear me?
Okay.
I'm the public. You're the servant.
Have a good day.
Read your Constitution.
I just want you to know. Have a good day.
Yeah, now it is. What if I didn't have the camera? So, Kootenai County Sheriff, guys.
Pardon me?
Are you refusing to speak to me?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
yeah.
for sure. Well, right now you're under investigative detention.
Okay.
So we got a call about a male with possible knife that matches your description.
Okay.
That's coming from exactly where you were coming from.
Okay.
And that's what we're investigating. You understand, sir?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, sir. So just move your badge to the side, please. Move to the side.
I don't condone any searches or anything like this, dude.
Okay,
I'm just walking down the street. I'm going to get a workout in, and you're stopping me because I look like a suspect?
Yeah, absolutely.
No, and I'm not the suspect.
Listen.
Was the suspect having a coffee? Was the suspect doing
like
this or that, dude? I'm not your guy.
Relax.
I'm not your guy. Don't tell me to relax. I'm not stressed.
So you're just going to hold on for a second until we confirm it's not you? And then
Go do your thing, man. You don't even need to be in my face then. Get out of here, bro. Yeah, you're close enough for me, man. I don't... This is ridiculous.
Okay, it's cool. That's fine.
I'm just walking down the street and you sit here and you stop me. Like,
Yeah.
do you understand why I'm aggravated?
Yeah, but do you understand why I'm stopping you?
Well, okay, so we have a mutual understanding then, do we?
Yeah, so I understand you
Okay,
understand
perfect.
me.
Then until you're done your thing, then perfect.
You can hang out. That's fine. No, I just should leave your bag down there, please.
Holy fuck, bro. Power trip or what? What, do I look like I have a knife or I'm ready to stab you, bro? You're sitting here saying, like, why do I need to put my bag? Do I look dangerous to you, dude?
Do you have a knife?
You're twice my size.
Okay, that's fine. It doesn't matter. We're just trying to confirm you're not the suspect.
And how are you going to confirm?
There's ways to do so. Not you?
Like,
yeah.
open it down.
Gray streak in the hair.
Oh, no.
Like, come on. Tattoos here, tattoos here. I'm the guy.
Male, 35, 6'1", lots of tattoos.
6'1", bro.
So
I'm 5'9", dude.
Well, you're not much. I'm about 6 feet and you're about my height, so.
No, you're not.
You got a couple. Well, do you have any weapons on you, sir?
No.
Okay, cool. Like I said, I'm just gonna pat you down for any weapons.
I don't really want you to patch me down. I don't want you guys touching me.
okay, so right now you're being investigatively detained.
I understand.
Yeah, okay.
Don't grab me like I'm gonna run away, bro. Like, what the fuck, dude?
I don't know you, right?
Yeah. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm getting detained here for what?
I explained it to you thoroughly.
And so why are you grabbing me like I'm gonna run away? I haven't done anything wrong, bro.
That's all. I'm making sure you don't have any weapons on you. That's all.
I haven't done anything wrong. What's your names and badge numbers, dude?
I'll tell you that.
It's right here on the vest, man.
Is that what you tell the judge?
Yeah, tell me your badge number.
Yeah, 2562. Man.
There you go. Why didn't you do that the first time?
2644.
Perfect.
I thought you were gonna read it for yourself, man. It's right
Not
on my
everybody
vest.
can read, man. Isn't it your policy to at least identify yourself?
So listen. Yeah, we did.
No, you had to convince him.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You're
read
confused,
it.
eh? You thought it might be a
It's
fake,
on film. What do you mean? What do you mean I'm
officer?
confused? There's no
So
confusion here.
just come stand in front of the car for a second. Thank you, man. What's your name?
Is there any other way that you can confirm?
Well, so
Like,
we're waiting. We're waiting.
For what?
Like I said.
I'm not answering any more questions,
Okay,
dude.
so you're gonna be
have
under
to.
arrest for obstruction.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm obstructing justice by not answering questions?
Yeah, absolutely.
What?
Like I
It's
said-
my right not to answer questions.
No, you're under investigative detention.
So I don't have to
Okay.
further your investigation.
No, but if you impede my investigation,
I'm not
you're
answering
subject-
question isn't impeding investigation.
Yeah,
I have the right
no,
not to
When you
answer
refuse
questions.
to identify yourself, you are
Just getting a better description.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. So what's your name?
I'll wait until you get. I need somebody else down here, like a sergeant.
Yeah,
or something.
Sarge's
This is
right there.
ridiculous. Hey, man. I just would like. He asked me how it was going. Goodness gracious, dude. I'm going down to work out at the park on Briere and Rose. That's what I'm going to do.
Okay. Well, we'll try and get you on your way if you're not involved. But we don't know. I'm not all knowing, right? I got to get down to the bottom of this.
And so I match a description based on what? A picture, based on a verbal description, based
on a
on
verbal
what?
description. So
Okay, and I don't match the height. The hair, is the hair the same? Like, you can't just, anybody with tattoos that's around 5'9", you can't just pull us over and search us.
No, but he said, but they also said
a white guy around 35 with tattoos walking this way.
So that could have
How
been...
many other people do you see that look like you coming
walking this way, dude? He could have taken a left or a right anywhere.
He could have.
Anywhere,
That's
exactly.
Why, that's why
so
you're not, hey, listen.
This is, you need reasonable articulable suspicion, and this is just
that is enough suspicion, man.
Is it?
Yep, it very much is.
Okay, well, I'd like to figure out, like, I'm not answering any more of your guys' questions. I haven't done anything wrong.
Yeah, you know it's your right not to talk to me. You don't have to talk to me, but you're not free to go. You understand that, right?
Fair enough.
Yep. You're not facing charges. I would need reasonable grounds. And again, you don't have to
So
respond
if I'm not
to this
facing charges, why am I being detained for?
because you're being investigatively detained for a criminal offense. But you're not being charged yet. She's going up to the unit now.
Do you mind if I grab my coffee? Is that cool before it gets cold? It's just on the sidewalk over there.
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. The ironic thing is whoever it is getting away right now.
Man, so they gave us the wrong address. It's not you.
I told you.
Good to go.
Told you. You too, man. Hopefully you spent a lot of time getting the wrong guy. The guy's still out there. I shouldn't be worried. There's a guy with a knife and I shouldn't be worried. Like, dude, you've got an attitude problem. You're very smug. Very smug. Yeah, you too, man. Good job. You want my name still? It's fuck off. Ho 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 ho, clever, eh? You fucking idiot.
Yeah, we going. Hey, I came to pick up a PI request that I dropped off about a month ago. Upstairs, but on the door it say, come in here.
Okay, and who are you?
Just a guy. You know what I mean? I dropped it off. They should be tracking it. I just came to pick it up.
So if I give you this, what if it's somebody else supposed to give it to you? Because you're supposed to sign for it, right?
No, they know who. I can talk to Tia.
I don't know who you are.
That's fine, right?
Okay,
it should be
I have information that you want.
Right.
I need you to sign for it, but you can't even tell me who you are.
I signed it in as good citizen, so that'll be what it's under.
But why are you filming me? I don't have rights.
You do have rights.
Okay, yeah. I don't want you to film me.
Well, you're in public though.
Okay, yeah. You're right. But I don't know your name, so I don't know who to give it to.
So you just not gonna address what I just said? What that got to do with anything? Wow, so he really not gonna... This guy. You got supervisor?
I asked you that. Film this.
It doesn't matter how you feel.
It doesn't matter. You're right. It doesn't matter.
Right, this is public.
It's public.
It's public.
It is. It is.
Yes, it is.
It is, but I asked you to stop filming.
Back up now.
I asked you to stop filming.
You can't stop me from filming on public property.
Well, you need to stop filming me because I don't want you to.
You can't stop me.
I don't know who you are.
It's public property.
Okay, stay on public property. And brush your mouth next time you come in.
Hey, this guy.
Yeah, this guy.
Just disrespectful.
Yes, I am. You don't think you disrespectful?
No, it's public property.
We'll see.
You mind going to go get me an employee so I can talk to him? You mind going to go get me an employee?
I don't know who you are, sir.
So what is this paper for?
That's who to actually
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Police Center, everything's all visually recorded here.
Appreciate that.
Yep. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you just need his ID for it?
Yes, sir.
And then you can get it?
Yeah.
25 cents a page.
I got the original request of when I dropped it off.
Can I see it?
Absolutely. Hey, I have.
What are we trying to get here? Like, well,
I don't
even understand what
so
all this is.
I'm an independent journalist. I was gathering content this administration, right?
Okay.
So I came here to file my documentation to get my request
Okay.
that I asked for, right? By state law, I can file that anonymously. I don't have to give them my information in order to get that information. It's public information, right?
It's public information that went on the web.
No, it's not on the web, right? So I filed it with TIA, which is their PIA representative, under my company name, right?
What's
so
your company name?
It's Good Citizen Audits.
Okay.
I gave that to TIA. They was on the 4th floor, but now apparently they're on the 1st floor. Right, when I came here the first time, I didn't have to engage with the gentleman because there was no need.
So do you have a number for Tia so I can just go direct with her?
I called the number that's on the Maryland website, but they said they don't know who Tia is or how to get in contact with her. So they said you can try to email her, but that phone number that they got on the record, they have to turn it to the Attorney General every year. It's just not a direct line to Tia.
Is there one in here?
At the moment, I don't think. I haven't seen it.
This is the lady, right? Right here. The chief office.
Tia Lewis?
Yeah, Tia Lewis. This is the address. That's the phone number, but the phone number does not go to like a
person. Is it a
it's like a, I don't even know what it to go to, like a call. Yeah. Somebody answered the phone, they said they don't know Tia. Right. So I came to this building to file that request. Yes, this right. They received it. I came back to pick it up.
Okay.
Right. They didn't have no issue when I dropped it off. Told me to just come back and pick it up. So I came back to pick it up. Right. Again, I didn't have to deal with this gentleman because they were on the 4th floor. Apparently they moved down to the 1st floor.
Okay.
Right. So wherever the request is at, right, by state law, like they have to give it to me. Right. So
but is Tia
I do not.
That has it? No.
She's a representative, so if
she's the one that you've been dealing with.
She's the one I've been dealing with.
So if nobody knows what you're talking about and she's not here to get it.
I did not. I mean, I'll come back and get it.
Yeah.
Right. I was gonna leave. He dialed jaw. I didn't want to run off or whatever. Right. He had an issue that I was like recording. He wouldn't deal with me. I said, whatever the case may be.
That's what everything is.
Right. Yeah. I just want my request. If he has it, then I want
it. You can have to bring back when he comes back with this, or is this something that's for the company for you?
Once he signs with a legit, he can get his package.
Okay.
But he's not going in the office filming these ladies.
they had death threats. He think it's going to go
They didn't let him look at it. This is what he's saying that you need.
2 Adam 3 and 2 Adam 2.
So
that's second copy.
Right.
I'll make sure animal control.
Yeah, right. I mean, that's my Fourth Amendment right. I don't have to give them. Absolutely.
If you're in a
do y'all want to educate them? Please educate them. It's not private. It's not private property.
This is a government building.
It's a government building. Yes,
we have government entities in here.
Them having that government entity gives me the right to record in that public space. It does, right?
I'm sorry.
So anything in that building, right? That is a government, state, what have you, right? Get it right. I can record in there, right? And anything that I engage with government employee, I can record. I want to do my PI request. They can't deny me that.
I'm certain on that. Like, it's my understanding. I did not know this was a government building. You're saying there's government entities in there?
Yes. The Maryland Cannabis Administration. It's owned by the state.
Right, so, we're gonna get squared away here to see exactly what this building is. If it is, I mean, we're either gonna tell you, hey, you need to come back here and make sure you have your things properly signed and whatnot.
Right.
I don't know how they operate, and then we determine this is a private business. We're gonna tell you to kick rocks, basically.
Mm-hmm.
That's about the gist of it.
Can you get my paper back? That was my copy.
Are you leaving?
No, but that's my copy right there that she has.
They're not going to be taking that. They're looking at that to try to determine what we're going to do moving forward here.
Okay.
Because we're not trying to.
But we do know that was my copy that I handed to your partner.
I don't know. All I got here, and I saw the paperwork was in his hands.
Just hang tight for 1 second. Yep.
You know, was it the non-emergency number that was dialed for you guys to come out here?
No idea, man. It was not related to.
Yeah, I would have been gone. I mean, when I came in the first time, I didn't really have no issues, no big deal.
I would prefer you not to record my voice. Okay, then she's not going to talk. She don't want you to record her voice. She's okay about a person, but she don't want her voice.
I mean, you know how I go. I mean, I just want my package.
Yeah, I know you can record me, but my voice, I would prefer you not to.
I think you can make that distinction from the recording.
So here's the
Thank you. Appreciate
that. Would you be willing to sign just to say you received it? Nothing more, nothing less.
I'll put exactly what I put on the original request. Today is the
8th.
Thank you.
Its maximum was about 10 minutes ago.
Can I have that back, sir?
Which one?
The one you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, both of them actually.
They're my original
This
question.
is one? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good? Yeah, that's it. That was not difficult. I mean, it could have been done.
Yep.
You know, no big deal. Right? I don't think I got your name and
Simpson.
All right.
The show.
I got yours. Hey, I appreciate it. Hey, thanks again.
Now, this situation shows just how badly the police can handle things. Even forgetting the fact that they had the wrong address and were lying about the suspect's description, these officers clearly don't know how to do their job without violating civilian rights. Watch as they try to arrest this man for refusing to provide ID, claiming it's obstruction of justice, even though it's actually the opposite. This is why it's crucial for you to know your rights and help raise awareness. Support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment to keep the conversation going. Let's spread the word and keep exposing police misconduct. And remember, always record the police.